up, YouTube? D4G here. This was a 3-piece gift set from Swiss Arabian. Vanilla Oud and saffron. This is nice. All that shit that was listed, I'm not getting. Okay. Hey, the Shaghaf Oud and Men is definitely the winner of the bunch. YouTube, D4G here, banging out another video. Hey man, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I got a package in the mail today. I've been waiting for this one. I've had my eyes on this one. I couldn't wait to bring this one to y'all. We're gonna talk about a new fragrance that your boy got in the collection, man. A 3-piece gift set from Swiss Arabian. Hey, let's talk about it. So before we get started, y'all already know I gotta give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome. If you're new, over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, man. Football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you, man. Alright, so today we got a package we ordered. Man, I ordered this from Joma's shop. This was a 3-piece gift set from Swiss Arabian. Let's go over it. So this gift set here, got a little plastic cover. This gift set here was on sale for 37 bucks. And it comes with 375 ml bottles. Very nice box, very nice presentation, man. I am not throwing this away, so I'm gonna set this to the side. Y'all know how I do. But this one I'm gonna just set gently to the side. And we're gonna talk about the 3 fragrances that we have right here. Now, neither one of these I've ever smelled. I've never smelled these. I don't have no idea what's gonna be in it. We're gonna go over, the first one that we're gonna go over is gonna be Shaghaf, man, I think that's how you pronounce it. Shaghaf Oud Aswad. The presentation on this one is very nice, man. Again, matte black bottle. You got the gold cap up top. It has these X's all around it. I have not one idea what that means. But again, this is from the house of Swiss Arabian. So let's go ahead and talk about it. The cap does snug into place. Very nice. Yeah. This ain't going nowhere. I ain't dropping this one. So I got my tester strip ready. Let's see what I pick up from this one. Let's see how they come off. I'm very excited about this one, man. I've had this in my box for a while, but I never decided to purchase it. I just had it sitting there for a little while, but I said I was gonna get it, and it was around the price that, you know, I was rocking with that. Let's see what I pick up. Hold on, man, I messed up on that. Let me respray that, because you know how when you spray new bottles, you kind of got to get the alcohol concentration up out of there the first couple of sprays. So let me do a heavy dose of spray on these and see what I'm getting. Do get a syntheticness off rip. I gotta tell you the truth. You are definitely going to get some syntheticness in the opening, but it's high on oud, but it's more of like that Middle Eastern oud. This isn't even the same oud that you get in Oud for Glory. This is like a heavy Middle Eastern oud note that you're getting in this. You automatically think Middle Eastern in this. It smells a little bit woody, maybe even like some saffron is in here. I'm not getting too much of anything else, man. This is a high oud alcohol based concentration fragrance. I could definitely see this on somebody that's like in the Middle Eastern region. This would be a great fragrance for that. I don't think I've ever smelled this out and about. I'm gonna let this one dry down a little bit. I wanna see how this dries down, because again, I got hit with a nice little alcoholic blast up top. So I do wanna let this dry down a little bit, but I am digging this. This isn't bad, this isn't inoffensive at all. But again, it's just the alcohol concentration that's just not letting me dig deeper into the actual notes on this. But again, I am getting that saffron. I am getting a lot of oud, but it's more of like that Middle Eastern oud and a woody scent. We're gonna come back to this one. We are going to revisit this one. Let's look at the second one in this presentation, and that's Shaghaf Oud. Now this one right here is all gold, and y'all know I love me some gold, man. All gold. Still has the X's surrounded, snug cap, so it still sticks into place. Very nice. But again, this is just a regular oud, so I don't know too much of what this one's gonna have in it. So let's check this one out. Got my strip ready. I ain't even gonna spray the strip this time on the first spray. I'm gonna just spray it up real quick. Do that. Get that out my face. Now we're gonna do the strip. Let's see if that gives us a different dose of it. Okay, I'm rocking with this one now. I'm rocking with this one. This one has vanilla in it. Is it in the top? I don't know, but I do smell vanilla in this. Vanilla and oud are the two main things that I'm getting in this. That's about it. I don't think that this one is too complicated. Now, the oud in this one is not the same oud that I got in Aswad. This one is giving me more of like a I guess you could say a synthetic oud. If the other one was a Middle Eastern oud and that's more of a true oud, this one is giving me more of like a little bit of a synthetic oud, but not the alcohol blast that I was getting in Aswad. I'm really just getting a lot of vanilla and oud with this, man. Maybe some type of like floral note, like a rose note in there. And if this has rose in it, I'm telling you right now, this is gonna be a banger, because that's oud for glory. Like, this is gonna be a banger. This is gonna be, I'm enjoying that oud rose combo. And if this one has oud, rose, and vanilla in it, fam, this shit is a winner. I like this one. I already like this one more than what I got from Aswad. The sweetness that it has in it, man. It has a nice vanilla sweetness. Now that vanilla is not a heavy vanilla, so it's not too much of the vanilla that you're gonna get up top. Maybe it might come down a little bit more in the dry down, but initially in the opening, I'm getting oud, vanilla, and some type of floral note. Like I said, I think that is rose, but it is some type of floral note that's in here. Yeah. Shaghaf Oud. This one right here is the best one so far. I'm rocking with that one. That's the best one so far out of the 3-piece set. Now this next one is supposed to be a little bit different because it doesn't have the same oud features as the first two have. This one I think this was supposed to be more of like a spring summer fragrance, where the first two is definitely going to be more fall and winter, cold weather fragrance. So let's go ahead and check out this third one and see what we got in this one. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing. Spray it a couple of times, get that alcohol out of there. That shit on somewhere, and then we're gonna back door and spray the strip and see what we get. Presentation on this one is still the same as well. Shaghaf still got the X's around it. This bottle you can definitely see through though. You can see through a little bit more so you can gauge the juice level. Okay, this one's fresh. This one has a fresh citrus feel to it. Like, I don't know what type of citrus, but it's more sort of like the orange side of the citrus, more so than the bergamot, like orange lemon combo. I think I'm picking up like a lavender in there as well, and this is all up top. I'm definitely getting some, I'm definitely picking up a little bit of lavender as I'm continuing to smell this. I would say citrus or orange type citrus mixed with some lemon, as well as the lavender combo. Now in the opening, that's all I'm getting right there. I'm not getting too much, so I don't think this will be a highly complicated fragrance, but this is definitely one that you can see yourself wearing more so during that spring and summertime. Now I will say this, and I'm gonna go back and visit each one of these in a second, because I want to give them time to dry down, especially the first one. Aswad, I really want to see how that one turns as you let it dry down a little bit. One of the main things that caught my attention on this is because they're all 75 mLs. You get a gift set of 3, 36, 37 bucks, and this is on Joma Shop. And again, all these are 75 mLs, but the thing is, if you buy just one of these bottles alone as a 75 ml, it's gonna be around 22 to 25 bucks. To get 3 75 mLs for all 36 bucks total, that's a win to me. And especially if I like them, if I enjoy them, which 2 of them I'm already feeling. The Oud and the original Shaghaf Oud and Men, I'm enjoying these 2 a lot. Now we're gonna go back to Aswad and we're gonna see how that one changes as it dries down and as I let it sit there for a little bit. We're gonna see what I can pick up. And I might even bring y'all some notes when we come back. Alright, so let's talk, man. I got Aswad right here. We let it dry down for a little bit, and I must say, it definitely has that Middle Eastern oud note to it. I can't take that away at all. So if you're not a big fan of the Middle Eastern ouds, not the more generic, I guess you can say, ouds, this one has a very high synthetic Middle Eastern oud note going. I still smell the alcohol concentration a little bit. It has turned more towards the woodsy side, but I'm not getting too much of it. Even on the note breakdown of this, I'm not getting too much of what it says. Now I can say that the patchouli in this has come out a little bit. I checked the notes. There is a patchouli in this. The patchouli has come out a little bit in this, but this is definitely more so on the Middle Eastern side of fragrances, especially with the oud. This is more on the Middle Eastern side than anything else. This is a true Middle Eastern fragrance. And then as we go to Shaghaf Oud, the gold bottle here, this is pleasant, fam. This is pleasant. That vanilla has came out a lot more as it dried down. And I'm sticking to what I said, man. I'm getting a lot of vanilla, oud, and saffron in this. Vanilla, oud, and saffron. This is nice. This is definitely one that I can enjoy and rock with. Now I will say this one will probably be more so nighttime, whereas this one, when I do rock it, this one will be more so during the day. Even though it is a black bottle, like, I don't dig too much into the bottle like that as far as the performance when I wear it. This one would definitely be more so towards the daytime, fall, winter, whereas Shaghaf Oud, I can see this one more so during the nighttime. Now when I say date night, probably, I don't know, cigar lounge, yes, for sure at a cigar lounge. But this one be more so during that nighttime fragrance. And then if we go to Shaghaf for Men. Okay. Hey, the Shaghaf for Men is definitely the winner of the bunch. Again, I'm still getting that orange, lavender, lemon up top. But then as it's drying down, you get like a little bit of a cardamom spicy to it, as well as some, it almost has like an aquatic feature to it. Yeah. I'm rocking with this. These two are automatic hits for me right now. I'm like, these two, initial first impression, these two right here, I can see myself rocking with these two heavy. Shaghaf Oud and Shaghaf for Men. This one be more of your nighttime, fall, winter. This will be more so of your spring, summer, daytime. I don't think I would do this one at night. Yeah, I don't know if I would wear Shaghaf Oud at night. Shaghaf at night. I don't think I would do that one at nighttime. The only one that is questionable out of the bunch is Oud Aswad. This is the only one that's very questionable. If you can rock with that Middle Eastern type of oud, you can get with this one. Let me just get the note breakdown on Aswad, because I want to get y'all the best review as far as unboxing possible. So let me just get y'all the note breakdown, because from what I'm getting from this, I just can't take away the Middle Eastern aspect of it. Not saying that it's bad, because I can see myself rocking it, but I can see how this one would not be as popular with a lot of people compared to the Shaghaf Oud or the Shaghaf for Men. Those two would be more so of a hit than Shaghaf Aswad. This one is definitely a more complex fragrance that I don't think that everybody will be able to wear comfortably and garner those compliments that a lot of people like to garner. Alright, so in the Aswad, I have the notes right here. Up top, we got rose, saffron, woody notes, and thyme. In the mid, we got rose, oud, patchouli, cumin, coriander, and jasmine. And then in the base, we got oud, leather, amber, sandalwood, vanilla, and musk. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say this right now. My nose palette has garnered some, I've gained some experience throughout my time with doing this. All that shit that was listed, I'm not getting. I'm just getting a very Middle Eastern oud. I'm not even getting the rose that you get. The rose that I was telling y'all that I was getting in Shaghaf Oud, I'm not even getting that same type of rose. This is just a hot Middle Eastern fragrance, man, for real. Maybe it's the cumin, because that's not a note that I'm really too familiar with, or the thyme. I'm not too familiar with those two notes. Maybe that might be what's giving it that Middle Eastern feeling, because those are two notes that I'm really not too familiar with. But it's gonna be cold this week, so I might wear this one tomorrow and see how it performs, see how it wears. Let y'all know later on during the week how this one rocks, because this one is definitely gonna be a challenge of the bunch. Shaghaf Oud Aswad, this is the challenger. This is the complex fragrance. This is the smooth oud vanilla rose fragrance of the bunch. And this one is that aquatic, fresh, spring, summer fragrance of the bunch. I am happy with my pickup. I really am. I enjoy these. I enjoy two of these so far. One of these I'm gonna have to spend a little bit more time with, but Oud and Shaghaf for Men, I'm rocking with those two off rip. So no complaints there. I just got to see what Aswad does, man. But that's going to be the video right there, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing and the first impression. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Do y'all have any one of these in your collection? And if you do, more specifically, if you have this one, talk to me about this one. Let me know what you think about this if you have it in your collection. How does it come off to you? How do you wear it? Because for me, initially in the opening, I don't know, man. It wasn't hitting like that. Again, I was just getting a nice Middle Eastern. Yeah, even then, I'm still getting a high Middle Eastern, almost cleaning supply type fragrance. But we're going to see, man. I'm going to rock it and see what I get from it. And I'll let y'all know later on as I wear it a couple of times and let y'all know what I get. But that's going to be the video right there, man. We about to get up out of here, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, man. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. Ha! We out.